Hello friends, welcome back. This is Anis Wagle and you are watching DevLog episode 1. In previous episode, I have shown you the concept about the game which I am going to be creating in coming months. And in this episode, I will show you what I have completed. Since this is episode 1, I haven't achieved a lot of things, but currently working on prototyping the game. So, as you might already have guessed or seen, I'm using Unity 3D for creating my game. I am programming in Visual Studio Community Edition 2019 in C#. So, what I have completed is created a game object for our player and a path where he can walk. I have implemented the swipe feature on the game, so you can control the player by swiping on the screen, and have also implemented the code by using which our player can walk infinitely. That means the path in which player is going to walk is created in real time while player is running in the plane. So let me show you how it works. Since I have a touch screen laptop, I can demonstrate you right in my laptop screen. So here in the game section, you can see that our player is here and I can move in the screen, move the player by touching it. And in here, you can see our path is getting longer and longer as the player move forward. I know creating a lot of this game object will create a performance issue. So while optimizing the game, I will make sure to remove the ground as the player move forward to it. Another thing I have implemented is that I have created a wall besides these planes, so that when you try to go across the path, you will be stopped by that invisible wall. So you can just concentrate on playing and focus on the obstacle which will come in front of you. So this is all what I have achieved so far, and what I am planning on doing is complete the common game mechanism until next week so that it will be playable. So till next week, I'll be adding the obstacle which our player has to overcome, and create a death mechanism and create simple score mechanism so that you can see the progress. So it will not be so graphically wow type, but after this thing is completed, then I will mainly focus on making the game look beautiful by adding menu and creating musics and other thing which I have mentioned in episode 1. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see this development until the end or want to play the game after it is launched, then please consider subscribing. And I'm also considering uploading the videos on speed modeling using Blender. So if you are interested in learning Blender, then you might also interested in the channel. So please consider subscribing, and see you in the next episode.